to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Seastar Beachwear Harbourside Mule in the black as well as the Seastar orange colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of content that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as check out the join button. We've got some amazing membership perks that you're not going to want to miss out on, as well as an amazing merch store. So as mentioned earlier, I am so excited to talk about some shoes that were engineered to live in and out of water, and these are the Seastar Beachwear Harbourside Mule. So I'm going to talk about the two different colorways. We're going to then follow up with the size and fit on these, then talk about how I styled these. I wanted to really just show you these shoes in their element. So I don't like wearing my sneakers when it's pouring outside. We've had some of the worst rainy weather here in New York, thunderstorms. You just don't know when to expect it either. And I think these are great shoes to really pack with you just in case a storm hits and you're not prepared. You can take off your nice sneakers, throw these on, get these wet, and you will not have to worry about these getting damaged or wet and ruined from walking in the puddles out here in a city like New York. And then I gave you a secondary style of them just in some nice warm weather that we're having here in New York. I think that these are a great warm weather option just because of the breathability. So stick around for that styling section. I think you're going to quite enjoy it. And then we're going to conclude with how much these are going for right now and where to find these. All right, so let's jump into the overview of these. I'm going to talk specifically about the black one, though it does come in the Seastar orange colorway as well. But the black is so versatile. Obviously, you all know how much I love all black outfits.
I only work in black, and sometimes very, very dark gray.
So the black literally just goes with everything and anything, and I love that it has this open back just based upon the fact that I can slip in and out of these so easily, and they're so light, so easy to pack. So literally they come with the cutest dust bag, and I can just throw these in my dust bag, bring them with me to work. So if there is a chance of rain, which has been pretty common here in New York, I can throw these in there with me, and I have a secondary pair of shoes that I know are waterproof, and I can bring them and switch into them out of my sneakers if I don't want to get those wet. So we've got elastic accents here on the side, and this ensures a nice kind of form-fitting piece so that this fits snug to your foot and they don't slide off easily, which I love. I think these definitely fit my feet quite nicely. It's not too tight, but that elastic does keep them snug so they don't go flying off. We also have this quick drying neoprene, which is my favorite part of the shoe just because it does dry extremely fast. So even if you do get these soaked, you don't have to wait an extremely long amount of time for these to dry. Then we've got a rubber sole, which keeps some nice traction so that you're not slipping around on wet floors or wet surfaces. And then we've got this nice cool espadrille stitching, which really gives it this nice kind of classic look. We've got an even midsole, which makes it ultra comfortable, and then a hand painted rubber jute, which just gives it this high-end fashionable look. All right, so let's talk about size and fit. So these do not have half sizes. So I went with a size 9, and I'm true size in a size 9. I would not have sized down. They would be too small. So definitely go with true to size. If you are a half size increment, I would recommend just going up on these just to have a little extra space, but definitely stick true to size if you do land in then equal increments. But if you are in the half size increments, do go up. All right, so now let's talk about styling. So obviously I had to wait for it to rain to film these because I wanted to show you in its element what these look like. So for that look, I had a nice kind of canvas raincoat going on over my Skims sweatsuit, the waffle sweatsuit in green with, you know, the black Mules, which fit quite perfectly. I mean, I literally was jumping through puddles, and obviously it's extremely hot out, so I don't feel like wearing rain boots, and this is just such a great secondary option for a look like that when you are just literally trying to rush from place to place here in New York City and you don't want to ruin your shoes and you're going to be going through puddles. I was splashing around in these and they dried so quick. It was amazing. Look, I wore these just on a normal New York day, nice hot summer. These are so breathable though, and so I feel like the breathability really makes these a great shoe, especially if you're sweating. I mean, this is literally going to dry immediately. So for that look, I chose more of a monochromatic look of just an all kind of cream and beige outfit with some Jordan sweatpants and a Nike cropped sleeveless top.
Type to make any man feel rejection. I was no coward. Got your heart in my possession. Guess you can say it's ours. You find like, let me just say you gifted. No understatement, let me rephrase it. You so exquisite. I'd be dumb if I didn't turn you into my missus. Been through your ups and downs, but with me you only get lifted. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down.
Those were the two looks that I had. Let me know your thoughts on those two looks, or how would you style these?
My one time for the one time. Look, man, it was like fall of 09 when we ate at any restaurant off campus we can find. Double dating, and my homies brought different brats every time. You sat across from uncertainty, but you knew you were mine. All these girls wanted nook because I had a little buzz. You care more about how it looked, I care more about what it was. You said I was flirting too much, I cut them all off if I must. This whole relationship thing is pointless if there is no trust. But you know that you are my queen. How you do, your majesty? I'll acquire you desire. Pockets on capacity, it's only right that I laid the pipe, cause you had a massive leak. I'm not one to hype, but you the best, and that's to say the least. They say love is blind, all I saw was that ass. All you needed was attention you didn't receive from dad. Campus full of bitches, you the only one with some class. When they see you, they know that's me, you don't even have to ask. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time.
All right, so now we're going to conclude with price point on these. So these retail for $75. I will have the links down below, and these are sold on Seastar Beachwear's website. They do have the Seastar orange ones available as well, but these are actually on sale right now. So definitely go and snag a pair if you're obsessed with this color like I am, because they're going for $60 right now. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as check out that join button. Be sure to check out that merch store as well. And that is all for this episode. Be sure to not ruin your sneakers and grab yourself a pair of these shoes that are meant to live in water. All right, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.